G'day folks, welcome to the show. Tonight I'm testing a microphone. I've just purchased a new flexible gooseneck microphone from Movo, ACM400 MOVO. I'll put a picture of that up here. Previously I've been running a cheap J-Car stereo tie clasp microphone, which I'll put here. So we're going to go for a ride today and swap backwards and forwards through these microphones and see which is the best for my situation. So grab a bevy, kick back and enjoy the show. Let's go. Bike noise now with the original helmet set from J-Car that I had running. So I've got the new gooseneck microphone on now as we speak. Just interested to see what the bike noise is coming through there. Okay, so to try and test these microphones as equally as possible, I've got the microphone pieces side by side in my helmet, and I'll just be plugging them in and plugging them out as we go through. I've got the original J-Car one in now, so I'm just going to run that up here. So you get, it'll be in the speed limit zone, which is 50 kilometers an hour. So that's that noise there. My voice, bike noise, wind noise, helmet visor down with the full face helmet, and we will now swap that out. And in the blink of an eye, I've managed to change those microphones over, and now I have the Movo microphone in, which is the new one. So we're in the 50 kilometre zone here. We're just rocking that. Again, this is pre-sit down and edit, so I don't know what I've got. I don't even know whether it's going to actually work in the camera. It's got the same points on the plug, so I'm assuming it will. But hey, funnier things have happened when it comes to me in electronic gear. So that's the Movo microphone at 50 k's in suburbia. Let's get out and check them now. So, Movo microphone at 80 k's. Again, testing for the bike noise, because we don't want to be drowning that out, because it's absolutely magnificent. But you need to be able to hear what I'm saying too, so that's to be the test. We're at 100 k's now through here, and let's test that out and see how that goes. And then we'll shut that down and try the other microphone with that same speed. Let's do that. Okay folks, so we've got the J-Car microphone back in now, and we're just going to pump that up to 100 k's. Again, this is the original microphone that I've been running now for a couple of years in different positions, and we can do a sound check off that to see which one is better. So that's at 100 k's, and then we will head out to full highway speed and see how that goes. So let's try that now. Okay, we're going to try and do this on the same stretch of road at the same speed. We're now at highway speed, 110 kilometres an hour, or maybe just a smidgen over, and in top gear. So the bike will be at 2,500 RPM, and we're just kicking along, and that's the microphone and that. So from previous experiences, we know that that sounds awesome. mic sounds awesome on through the microphone. It's just a matter of me having to up my voice a little bit so that you can hear me okay. Okay, so let's try that again now with the Movo microphone. Let's do that. Road, roughly the same speed. What is the better microphone? Again, I haven't edited, I haven't had a listen to this on any other editing well or through the computer, so I'm as in the dark as you at this point. So please, down in the comments, let us know which one you think sounds the best. Maybe both for the bike and for my voice. Not that my voice will sound good under any circumstances, but I promise I won't sing. Anyway, thanks for joining us today. I hope you got some sort of outcome within those microphones, and I will see you next time. I'll put the details of the microphones as best as I can below. So, thanks everyone. See you next time. Bye. Let's go.